What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you as a subscriber to the channel. We're getting closer to 2,000 subscribers. The goal is to hit 2,500, so be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Today is a video about something that has been a year in the making. I'm looking over at it right now. You guys might know if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it is right here. So go follow me on Instagram. But if you know already, you'll know how exciting this is. Basically, 1 year ago, the NC Miata, I had a little accident with it. It gets better. Basically, on my way back, there was another fender bender. This was to the front of the car. So, I got a nice dented in front bumper with some good scratches, a little bit on the headlight, and yeah, so my day yesterday was wonderful. And with that accident came kind of a positive. I got these fender flares, which went to the RPF1 wheels, and now we got the front bumper for the NC2. This is a bumper that I got from Japan. If you go back up in the corner, click that video and watch that one, you'll kind of understand how I got it, where I got it from. This was the cheapest bumper I could find on the internet from Yahoo Auctions Japan. It was like 50 bucks, got it imported here, and it was blue. So I needed it painted and fixed and primered and all that stuff. So as I did with the fender flares, I took it down to the guys at Zoom Performance and Body. They are a shop here in the DFW area, and they knocked it out of the park, honestly. It's like a really perfect paint match. They fixed all the scratches, all the little gouges, filled with primer and filler, and the paint is top notch, I have to say. So if you guys are looking for body work in the DFW area, definitely check out Zoom Performance. Their links are down in the description below. You can go check out their Facebook and take your parts over to them, and they will get you set up. I got this bumper painted literally in about like 2 days. They took it on Monday and they primered it, and then I took a paint sample to them 2 days ago, and it was done today. So you pick up your parts really quick, and they're good quality, and they also offer a fine price. So check out Zoom Performance. By the way, Zoom Performance does not sponsor this video at all. I just really like the way they do things. Their paint match comes out really nice, so I'm super excited to get this on the car. So looking at it up close, I mean, it's hard to argue with that quality. It's super smooth. They did a really great job of just everything. Wet sanded, buffed, no orange peel. It's a really nice glossy shine, so I really like it. Over here, I've already started on this with like one coat. We need to put a new coat of paint on our little Mazda emblem. So I'm gonna throw a couple more coats of my black paint to match the side skirts, spoiler, and front lip. So we'll finish this up, throw it on the bumper, and then bumper goes on the car. There is the front logo added on there, and I really like the matte black look. It might not be for everybody, but I feel like it matches the theme of the car pretty well. So stepping back, here's the whole thing. Now we just got to throw it on. It looks extra red right here. I promise that it color matched perfectly. It's just kind of the way the light is bouncing from up there to down here and not really hitting the side of the car. You can see back here, it's bright red. So let's throw this on.
Day 2.
Alright, so it's actually the next day because it got too late last night. I was too tired. So, like I said, we're going to put the new bumper on. And you guys have seen this a few times on my channel. So click up in the corner if you want to see the how-to for this. Otherwise, it's just time-lapse right through this.
Alright, so not my fastest work, but front bumper is now off. I went ahead and polished up the headlights, just because it's easier to do now than later, so I polished up the headlights. What I need to do now is we need to take off all these plastics and rivet on the new cover. Just transfer everything from the old bumper to the new bumper. Died, so we're gonna have to start making this quick, but I got all the plastics on the new bumper. I also put a little styrofoam thingy back there. It is missing the one right here, but it's fine, it's held in. I guess it got broken off in like transport or something. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the front of the car and put the lip on, and then we'll be able to button all this up. Alright, so I haven't really been filming because I just wanted to get it done, and it's been hot. You guys have seen me take off the bumper like a few too many times now. Hopefully this is the last time, soon at least, because it's on, and honestly it has been far too long without having the car look literally 100%. Like, there's nothing else I'd really do to it besides this. Maybe paint the spoiler, but that's in another video. Let me show you the bumper. Here's the new bumper, and it looks absolutely amazing. Honestly, they really killed it on the paint. It's so reflective and nice and straight. There's no more big gouge in the front here. It's honestly, I don't know why I waited so long to fix this. And now we can finally move on to other things, like installing this engine. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you're excited about the new bumper. If you want this old bumper, go ahead and comment or something. If you're in the DFW area, I'll entertain offers. You guys know what's wrong with it. I think someone on my Instagram is already messaging me, but if that falls through, just leave me a comment or shoot me a message on Instagram or something if you want an NC2 bumper that needs a little bit of love. So just let me know. If you're new to the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button below. I'd love to have you as a subscriber on the channel, and leave your likes, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.